What's up? Mga dragon, mga bruha, mga tangkit, mga mananap, mga worm, o mga klase-klaseng mananap. So, welcome back to my channel, guys. So, today is the topic
Challenge!
12 minutes challenge.
Oy! 1 hour!
Why you say, oy?
Wala pa man! Start!
No, don't say that. Don't say that.
Hindi na!
I told you.
Hi guys!
May gabi ninyo tanan, guys, mga viewers na to diha.
Yes!
Sa atong mga
subscribe,
sa mga supporters na to diri sa Toledo, sa Balamban, sa Cebu, sa Central Visayas, o sa Region 7, guys. Hi ninyo diha, may gabi. So,
guys,
wait.
challenge karon. Kaya wala pang milinaw. And mag-challenge me for 1 hour. 1 hour og kanang 1 hour challenge speak in English.
2 minutes lang.
30 minutes lang.
Ay, taas sa gina. 15 lang.
Hindi, 15 minutes lang, guys.
15 lang, guys.
15 minutes, guys. Sulti mi og English in 15 minutes. Kung ginsa tayo musulti Bisaya or Tagalog, niya ipan og kalima na gani, kalima na si siya taga na
Hindi siya.
Oh, na siya.
Hindi.
Kung Tagalog siya, ipan man ako sa duha ana. So, ug mabilis siya, push up siya og kapolo.
Ge.
Okay?
Gen?
Oh my God.
Gen?
Huh?
Gen?
Ay, wait,
So,
Ano? Yeah, and 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
first of all, guys, I just want to I would like to introduce myself again, Mr. Lois Bingsubing.
Uy, 12 minutes.
And also this is my lalab Mineil. So welcome back again to my channel, guys. So I just want to greet my
What?
my friends,
Who's friends?
my friends Jogo,
Jugo. Jugo, hi, Jugo.
Ubod, hi Ubod,
Hi,
Cardo,
Ubod. Hi, Cardo.
hi Cardo, watay ko ano na, wala tayo tiping kay,
Cardo.
oops,
One.
I'm saying,
One.
I'm saying what I topic. So I'm sorry regarding
One
yes, I
mistake.
just want to apologize regarding what I said.
You have one mistake, okay? One na.
So also to Isok. So
Hi,
hello
Isok.
Isok. And
How are you,
also Sards. Hi Sards.
Who's Sarge?
Sards sa mga no.
You
Sarge.
said mga.
No.
Oh, no, mga.
I'm saying Sards. Sards.
Basta
There are
If you have
there are people in Manila, in here, in all people in Philippines. Sards. Police. Police.
Two
Military.
mistakes, okay? 2 out of 5. So you have 2 mistakes already, okay?
So,
mistakes, mga.
no problem, mapish ka lang. So,
Okay.
Sards.
Okay.
And also,
Friends already.
no.
Meet your friends already.
Last, no.
What?
One more. Last, did you remember, President Rodrigo Duterte said, Jokno? So, hello, Jokno.
Joke is
Joke
your
na.
brother, right?
Jokno is my, old stock. Hello, Jokno. Don't forget to subscribe, Mineil Vlog. And also, don't forget to click your notification because your old stock is missing. So, saan namin?
How many minutes we speak English?
I think 4 minutes.
What?
4 minutes.
Yeah, it's 4 minutes
not
now,
every-
but overall it's 15 minutes, right?
Mati mushkila.
Wait, I'm asking you. 15 minutes? Okay. So we have 4 minutes.
No. Yeah, I am 4 minutes and we have 10 minutes left. So you
What?
can
10 minutes left?
because we will speak for 15 minutes. So it's your turn. So let's go.
No, we both speak.
Yeah, okay.
You
And I
will
will
ask
speak
me,
too.
and then I will answer you, and then I will ask you, and then you will answer me.
So this is very difficult, but I'm trying to justify what you said. So let's go.
Okay, why? You first. Question me. Answer you. You
Mabash ka na.
first.
Sad, aywa,
Question me. What is your question about me?
So how old are you?
So that we have a topic.
How old are you?
I'm already 26, but running 27 this coming May 15. And
So,
about you?
so this coming next month.
No, yeah, this coming
Oh, no.
next month.
So another next month.
Yeah.
So this girl is very kill. So yes.
So I have
a pen.
I have a question for you, and my question is
What?
why you're so
Hey, don't touch my t-shirt. This is madness. This is outrageous. This girl is crazy.
I have a question, ma. I forgot it. I'm sorry. My question is,
Excuse. You have a text message.
what is your future in what is your plan future in life?
So,
Am I correct?
let me speak simple, guys, in front of here.
What?
So, Luis, my
I'm so
goals.
tired. I'm so
No. No, not mushkila.
answer it directly.
Okay.
My question is, what is your future plan in life?
Okay. So, aywa.
What is Iowa?
PPAP.
I'm Mr. Luis. My body is good. Wait, let me answer my beautiful answer. So, my ambition in life is that I have my own work to do, which will make me a happy person. So,
I did not ask
no.
what is your ambition in life.
if they have possible someday, if I'm graduate as a bachelor soon, because last month the graduation is delayed, so I'm sad to say regarding my graduation in last month in September, in March 28, because
What?
the graduation is delayed because due to COVID-19. So
Really?
yeah, sad to say about
Oh,
that.
really?
So, but nothing is difficult if you put all of yourself to it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe Mineil Vlog, guys.
So
So-
next. You're next.
So okay,
You next.
so this it's my turn
Yeah.
to say to you.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you are applying job, bottom vulkan, guys. Sorry guys.
Are you kidding me?
I'm sorry guys. I just want to apologize. So because this kind of person is boto here. So sorry guys na boto ang bulkan pinatubo, guys. So sorry kay guys
If I
about that.
laugh too much, then the phlegm will get
So
Know that?
the volcano, guys, is actually
The volcano
we are
is
mistakes.
erupting. That's why it's
We're human and doing mistakes, guys. So just try to
nobody's
justify
perfect.
what
That's
I
why
mean,
have
guys,
them.
and just try to justify. Balhin mo nun din karapata, guys.
What did you say?
No, I'm saying karapata.
Okay. What is your question? I will answer.
Okay, if you are applying job,
Yeah.
in here, in
Yeah.
front of me,
Oh yeah.
so why should we hire you?
If I what?
Why should we hire you?
Sir, you should hire me because Otan Munggos.
One, guys. So she had wrong. So one and
Sir,
two for me.
okay.
So
This is my answer, sir. Sir, you should hire me because I am confident of myself and I will do everything to get to know more about a job, a work, or everything. And I thank you.
so why you are applying in this kind of job?
Sir, I'm applying that kind of job because I want money and I want to support my family and live in Carlos City and I want to build my own family and that's why I want to apply work and then you want to hire me, that's why.
So how much do salary do you expect?
Well, sir, I will expecting salary is just a month which is 20,000 pesos.
So really?
Yeah. It is okay to me, and I am very honored to have a salary of 20,000 pesos.
So are you willing to relocate any?
Yes, I am.
No, wait. I'm not finished to say what I mean. So I will kill you. This is your last chance. So stop acting like that because you will never be Celine.
Hindi ako si Celine.
Barcelona untold. So guys, no, wait. Stop acting like that.
Yeah, of course, not.
Take two.
Okay.
So, are you willing to relocate
Yes.
any branches?
Oh yes, of course. I am willing to relocate every location, every kind of world. Because I want to have a family, and of course myself, and of course, my future is you.
So, this is my last questions.
Okay, fine.
So about the because my question is about about interview jobs. So this is my final question. So what is your greatest weakness in your life and greatest strength?
Well, my weakness in life is that, of course, my family, and first and foremost, God and my family, and of course, wow, you.
Really?
Yeah,
Shut me free.
and also my strength is, of course, God again, and family, and you.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that was mistake.
You know why? Because I love you.
There's no longer my name. My name is Dracula.
Okay. Are you done with your question to me?
My last question.
Why so lot of minutes?
Because you're so good.
You are so beautiful.
Huh?
Because you're so
Really?
good. Yes, ma'am. Can you me and like this?
Yes, of course.
Can you
Yeah.
like this?
Yeah.
Sumpot?
Yeah.
Sumpot? Sumpot heart? Charbaki.
Okay, that's your last question.
Yes, that is my
Okay.
last question.
Okay. Yeah.
So, I will correctly your
Yeah.
answer, huh?
Oh, yeah.
So, why should we hear you?
Oh,
So,
yeah.
if you the answer is the very
What?
perfect answer
What?
is here. if you hire me, it will be a great platform to showcase my skills. Whatever goals I set, I ensure to complete them within stipulated time. And the next,
And the next one.
how much do salary do you expect? So the final answer is salary is my salary is my second priority, because if you are sitting here to analyze me and you will pay me that I deserve. Bang! Panis!
And the third one.
So are you willing to relocate any branches? So if they have possible, if the agency said or the sir said nothing, no problem, aywa. Kalas.
Difficult and impossible.
So yeah, nothing is difficult if you put over something.
And then the fourth.
Greatest weakness in my life.
Yeah.
So the greatest weakness in my life is
What? What?
is to kill person.
You do that.
Because
What?
in the Ten Commandments there are the
What?
laws of the regulations.
Kailangan ko ay ang tulad mo.
What laws?
Laws of Jesus.
Rules.
Laws, yeah, laws.
Okay.
Laws.
Fine. Okay.
L-A-W-S. Laws.
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 Laws, daghan.
Laws. Okay.
Laws. Meaning. So,
Okay.
there are the
Means
kinds of
rules
regulations.
and regulations.
Rules and regulations of Jesus. So,
Okay.
okay, sakpan na guys. So, about ato guys, dako kami pasalamat about sa among pagsabot. Hope guys nga kining video namo kung sa mga video pa namo inyong tanawon, pagalang taon. I mean ninyo kalimti guys, Mineil vlog guys. Base na soon as possible guys makaluyan. We would like to meet you someday guys. If they have possible. Di ba? Basta hindi makahatag na lang kalipay, makahatag na lang mga small things,
Yes.
makahatag na lang bulpin, example,
ikaluyan sa Ginoo.
makahatag na lang alcohol, parehani, makahatag na lang bugas, one for, ala na, stilo, ala na, stilo bugas,
Pero wala pa man guys.
one for sa
Wala pa
atiyatan,
man, guys. So
kay
please
four na
guys,
ta.
abangan lang ni. Subscribe mo ang channel, i-like and i-share. And o napa mo ipabuhat na mo nga mga video guys na ganahan mo kami mabuhat i-comment lang sa among mga videos and amarang buhat
So, katong,
if makaya
kinsay gusto magpa-shoutout kaya guys, comment below guys para ma-shoutout ka na mo sa sunod na mo nga video. So, comment now guys, ay na mo dugay-dugay. Comment now kay para amo i-shoutout ninyo. So, sa sunod na mo nga video ang paggabuhaton, i-shoutout na mo. Okay. Bye-bye.
bye guys, please subscribe our channel and thank you so much sa mga ni-subscribe and sa mga wala pa ka-subscribe, subscribe na guys, knowledge na among
Gatsby.
please, and thank you so much for watching our videos. Hope malipay mo ani and dili mo magsigi kagool, pray lang ta always kay kabalota si God nara always na to, nara sa tong kinilang, sa tong atubangan, sa tong likod. God is good all the time and God is with us. Thank you so
Amen.
much guys, bye bye guys, we love you, God bless us always, bye bye.
Bye-bye.